Okay, this problem, the 4-3 review, again, calculators are not allowed, and this is number 4. So if we look at this, we are given a picture, and based on the picture, we want to determine the sign of the output, or the y-coordinate, the sign of the slope, the first derivative, dy dx, and the sign of the concavity, which is the second derivative. So if we look at point A, we can see that the y-coordinate is above the x-axis, so the sign of y will be positive. If we look at the slope at A, we're looking at drawing a tangent line at A. If I draw that tangent line at A, we can see that it has a positive slope. The second derivative, or the concavity, we can either look and see that we are frowning here, or we can see that the tangent line is actually above the curve. So both of those are indications that the second derivative is negative. If we look at point B, again, we see that the y-coordinate is above the x-axis. If we draw a tangent line at B, we can see that it has a negative slope, and because the tangent line lies above the curve, we can say that the concavity of B, or the second derivative, is still negative. If we look at C, we have a negative y-coordinate. The sign of the slope appears to be negative, and because the tangent line is underneath the curve, we can say that C is on a smiling part of the curve, or a concave up. Again, repeat the process at D. The y-coordinate is negative, the tangent line has a positive slope, and the tangent line lies below the curve, so we must be concave up. Continue on with E. We are again above the x-axis. Our tangent line has a positive slope, and the tangent line was above the curve, so the curve is frowning and has negative concavity. F, we're still above the curve, or excuse me, above the x-axis. Our tangent line had a negative slope, and the tangent line lay above the curve, so we are concave down. Looking at G, it's underneath the x-axis. The tangent line has a positive slope, and the tangent line is underneath the curve, so the curve must be smiling. Last one, H, the y-coordinate is above the x-axis. The slope of the tangent line is positive, and the tangent line was below the curve, so we were smiling.